Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick review why I think this neck with metal hooks is the best thing I can buy for my car. I just got it from Muslogy. You take it off, right? From the little package that comes. Okay, this is what I got in the back of my truck. I just came from buying stuff. Sometimes I buy stuff from BJ's, and the moment I open the car, once I get home, all this stuff comes to the floor, it breaks. So, it's always a hassle, especially if you live in the mountains. So I need something to hold it every time I open the car so it doesn't fall. So what I got a NAS from Muslogy. Okay, so this is how it looks. You put one clip there, and one of the other clips over here, as you can see. It has a retention on it. So I just put both of the clip, and I'm gonna click in my last clip over here. So now I'm very sure that nothing is not coming back. And you know what's the best part? You can put stuff in the middle, so you can have extra space. So now I'm pretty sure when I open the door, that thing is not coming back out.